Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the profile picture in Facebook. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you have to open the Facebook app in your phone and log in with your email and password. Then you will see an interface like this. Click on the three vertical bar on the top right corner and choose your profile. Here, you will see a camera icon on the profile picture. Just click on it. Then choose Profile Picture. And from here, choose the photo that you want to set as your profile picture. I'm choosing this one. And finally, click on this Save button. That's it. We have successfully uploaded our profile picture. That's all for today's video. Now you know how to change the profile picture in Facebook. Thanks for watching.